Hi guys, it's me Marie and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be opening my Starbucks 2023 journal. I'm so excited for this, so let's open it up. Alright, so as usual, you will need 18 stickers to be able to get this 2023 Starbucks planner or journal. So thank you so much to all of my friends, family, especially my husband, for helping me and supporting me in all of my Starbucks coffee runs in order to get this planner. So thank you so much guys. I'm so excited to use this for 2023. I also use a Starbucks planner for 2022. It was very useful. So I hope this one's gonna be useful as well. So very nice box with some bronze highlights. Okay, so we have a very simple packaging here. As you can see, I got the black variation of the planner. They also have the beige one, but I love black, so I'm just going to remove this plastic here to reveal this very nice bronze lock with the Starbucks logo. So let's open this up and reveal what's inside. Oh wow, I love this shiny shimmering gold pouch. You could put your receipts in there, you know, probably some pens, etc. Very nice, very useful. And next off we have, oh, so they did put the inserts in the binder. So, I guess I have to put them myself. Pahirapan muna daw bago magamit. Joke. Anyways, so let's see what's inside. I think this is very nice that they're gonna be using a binder this time because, you know, you could use it again next year after you've used up all of these 2023 pages. So, looks good. It's a bit soft, but I mean, typical paper. Very nice. Very functional. I like it. So nothing really fancy about it. It's simple, functional, but I like it very much. Suits me. It's a thumbs up for me. And that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching my short video on this Starbucks 2023 planner. I hope to see you guys again next time and have a very wonderful and prosperous new year this 2023. Thank you so much. Bye.